Today we're located in Hardeman County. This rare 183-acre tract offers a combination of crops, timber, and pasture. Just 1 mile from historic Ames Plantation, home of the prestigious Bird Dog National Championship. With road frontage on both Ames Road and Woods Cemetery Road, this property provides easy access and a variety of uses for farming, recreation, or building a dream home. This farm truly has something for everyone. It features gently rolling hills, open pasture land, income-producing crops, and pockets of timber that create perfect habitat for wildlife. Hunters will appreciate the excellent whitetail deer and turkey hunting with 3 box blinds already placed, overlooking well-maintained food plots. A fully stocked pond offers great fishing and the perfect spot for late evening topwater action. The property is ideal for horseback riding with multiple scenic trails winding through the landscape. A freshly painted wooden fence adds to the curb appeal and beauty. Utilities are already in place, including electricity and a well, along with several enjoyable home sites that offer peaceful views across the countryside. A 20 by 30 shed provides a perfect space to store tools, farm equipment, or off-road vehicles. This farm is divided into 3 separate tracts. Tract A is 28 acres with 750 feet of road frontage on Ames Road, perfect for a home site with crop income. Tract B includes 59 acres with 900 feet of frontage on Woods Cemetery Road and additional frontage on Ames Road. Tract C is 95 acres with approximately 300 feet of road frontage on Woods Cemetery Road. Whether you're looking for a recreational getaway, income-producing land, or a site for future events or stall rentals during the Bird Dog trials, this property has it all. It can be purchased as whole or individual tracts. Don't miss out on this unique property located just 1 mile from Ames Plantation. Give me, Taylor Howell, a call today.